For many years, the damage control trainer has been used to train commercial fishermen in flooding control. However, this training tool does pose some logistical hurdles, such as securing a suitable towing vehicle, finding a proper water source, and the work involved with the setup, operation, and teardown of the trainer. When it is all said and done, the majority of the training focuses on 3 flooding scenarios: open through hull fitting, a small hull breach, and split piping. Thanks to the folks in Portland, Maine, a sector northern New England, they developed a portable damage control trainer that would fit in the trunk of a car. Here at Marine Safety Unit Portland, Oregon, we duplicated their idea by installing it on a work cart. It also houses the main 3 flooding scenarios of an open through hull fitting, hull breach, and split piping. All of these are controlled by a manifold. Setup is pretty easy. Just connect it to a standard garden hose. Install the split piping scenario supports, then the pipe. Because this is detachable, other examples of split pipes can be used. Turn on the water, and then open the valve you wish to use. For more information, please contact MSU Portland at the email and phone number seen here. Thanks for watching.